Hello everyone, welcome to another video of problem solving with Pandas. In this video series, we are solving various problems related to data analysis using the Python library of Pandas. So if you are one who wants to learn Python or the Pandas, how to solve problem using the Pandas, or you are interested about data analysis, you can watch those videos. So let's start read the problem first and then try to solve the question. So this is also taken from the Analysis Builder website. You can see it. The problem says Costco rotisserie loss. Okay, but it says Costco is known for their rotisserie chicken. They sell not just because they are delicious, but because they are a loss leader in this area. Okay, they're selling it in loss. This means they actually lost money in selling the chickens. Okay, but they are okay with this because they make up for that in other areas. Okay, so what's the problem? We haven't got the problem yet. Using the sales table, so we are given the sales table or sales data frame. Calculate how much money they have lost on their rotisserie chicken this year. Round to the nearest whole number. Okay, let's see the table first. We have given only like one table and two fields, month and lost revenue millions. Okay, the lost revenue is directly given, so we just have to calculate it. That is, this is so. If we just see the data set, this is January, February, March, April, September. Oh, everything is given, like all the loss amount for this month for rotisserie chicken is given. So what we have to do, we have to calculate the this loss, like all the column have to has this column, like this lost revenue millions, this column should be added or summed up. That's the thing that we have to do, isn't it? Using this table, calculate how many money they have lost on their rotisserie chicken this year. Okay, we got it. Oh, also we have to do another thing, we have to round the result, isn't it, the whole number. So it is kind of a easy problem. Probably you have already watched my previous videos of this Pandas problem solving series, then you can already understand how to solve it. Let's try to solve it together. So this is the first thing, like if we want to work with Panda, then we have to import the Pandas as PD, and the sales.head is given to check first few columns, like first few rows. So this is working perfectly. Let's now try to solve it. Delete it. So the data set that we are given here is sales. Let's run it. This is the whole data set, sales. So from here, if we just apply the sum method, what it will do, it is giving us the sum of everything. The month column is also summed up here, the lost revenue column is also summed up here, but we just need the sum of only this column, isn't it? So what we have to do, we have to select only these columns. List what we should do, sales dot, this is the only column we need, and if we just run it, we are getting only the information of this column, or the value the summed up on this column, we are getting this. So we have selected on the dot way. We can also select it in other different way, like this will also work. Lost revenue million, I'm just showing it so that you can understand the different ways of selecting a table or selecting a column from data frame. This is working in the same way, is it? So this will also work, but this is not our desired output. What they are saying, that we have to round this up, isn't it? Round to the nearest whole number. So it should be like rounded up, as it is like more or like more than 0.5. So what we have to do, we have to apply another function here, that is a round. This is the round method. Let's see, run it. Now we are getting, and I think this is the result. Let's check it. This should work. Yeah, this is the expected output, and they have lost 48 millions in this year on selling rotisserie chicken. Okay, so I hope you can understand the problem. If you have any question or if you have any confusion, you can write it on the comment below. I will be happy to reply those. And also, if you just learn something new and if you enjoy the video, you can subscribe the channel, and you can also share the problem with your friends. Okay, so that's all for now. See you again on the next video. Bye bye until that.